friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Kaleigh and I do all things cleaning, home decor, and lifestyle here on my channel. And today I just wanted to film a snow day clean with me. We've been home for 2 days now because of the snow. I live in Tennessee and we never get snow like this, so we're completely unprepared when it does happen. So we kind of just all stay home and do the best we can. We're definitely not used to this kind of weather. So I figured it'd be a great opportunity to film a snow day clean with me and just kind of hang out with you guys while I get some stuff done. I'm still on my clinical rotations for my last stop before graduating with my master's degree. So that's why I've been so MIA on YouTube. I'm gone 10 to 11 hours out of the day. I'm also 18 weeks pregnant. So when I get home, I'm just dead to the world. And honestly, YouTube has just been pushed on the way back burner. But I only have a few weeks left of rotations, and then I can hopefully get things back on schedule. And we're working on the nursery too, so I'll give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek on that. So yeah, a lot of fun things in the upcoming months to come on my channel. I just got to make it through clinicals, pass my boards, and then be done with school. So all right, I just want to tell you guys where I've been and why I've been so MIA, but we're still doing things on the house all the time, and I'm always out of breath when I talk now, so lovely. Like I said, it's a snow day, so our pipe in the kitchen is actually kind of frozen, so I can't run the dishwasher. We're trying to let it drip to prevent it from being really bad, so I'm kind of limited on some of the stuff I can do with you guys, but we're still going to do the best that we can and get this house clean and just feeling super cozy to enjoy the rest of our snow days. So we are starting off by organizing this spice cabinet that's been on my to-do list for a while, and today was the perfect day to finally tackle it. Some of the spices had spilled out in the cabinet and it just needed to be reorganized, and I had a lot of stuff that I could have thrown away way sooner than today, but we finally tackled it today. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out, clean out the shelves, and throw things away that can be, and then reorganize them and put everything back in its spot. I'm wiping down all of my countertops with my Thieves spray that I got in this cute little glass bottle that was in the Target dollar spot for spring. It was only $3 and it's very high quality, so if you see one of those, pick one up because you can use it for a ton of your household cleaning products. And I just sprayed that generously all over my countertops and just wiping them down with a paper towel. Once the kitchen was clean, I of course had to light a candle, and this one's Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. I wanted to show you guys the snow. It was just so pretty today with all the sun hitting it. Super bright outside, but we got so much snow. I don't think we've gotten this much in a very long time. It's been at least 3 or 4 years. So it was exciting to see, but I'm kind of over it. We're on day 3 right now, and I'm ready for it to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear off my dining room or my kitchen table, and we're gonna wipe this down with that thieves spray as well and make sure it's all nice and clean. I'm gonna make sure I wipe off all the chairs as well. They just get dusty over time, and put away some of that stuff that's been sitting in the chairs.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down.
Okay, so here's a little nursery update. It is far from even anything being completed, but we did start the painting, but we ran out of paint, so that's why it's kind of splotchy. So my husband had to wait till it cleared up enough where he could go get some more safely. So we're just kind of at a standstill with the paint. But for the most part, it's almost done. We've got the trim painted. We've got to replace this windowsill. Our dogs had chewed it up when they were puppies, so we're finally replacing that. But I love this room because it has the really tall ceilings, and I love this window right here, and I just think it's gonna be an adorable nursery. So on this wall is where I'm planning on putting her crib, and then I think I wanna do some board and batten on this wall as well. I'm not sure yet. So we have a lot to do, but we're also gonna redo the floors. We've got all the flooring stuff. We're probably gonna start doing that today. So a little nursery update. Moving into the dining room, doing the same thing, giving this table a much needed wipe down. It was just kind of collecting stuff that I need to put away. And then you see my old bar stools over there. I am listing those on Facebook Marketplace to sell since I got my new ones. So I just haven't done that. And honestly, with the snow, nobody's coming to pick stuff up. So I'll probably just wait till the weather gets a little better.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring.
And to add a touch of springiness, even though it is literally snowing right now, I added some white florals to this little vase that sits on my fireplace just because I had them in the closet, and I figured I might as well add a touch of spring to go along with all this snow.
When it's pouring rain, ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day.
Today, I had no excuses to not tackle this pile of laundry that needed to be folded. So with the snow days, I was able to catch up on all of my laundry, but then of course I had to fold it all, so that's never fun. But this was like 15 minutes of me folding laundry that I just condensed down to like a minute for you guys. So that's how long it took me, which in the grand scheme of things is not that long, but I just do not like sitting down and folding laundry. Finally got our pipe unfrozen so I could use the dishwasher and run it and everything, so that was really great. So I'm going to unload it and then reload it, and then I'm going to show you guys how I scrub out my sink to keep it nice and white. Keeper's Friend, the soft cleanser, is the key for me. I haven't found anything that works as good as this, and it's honestly the only thing I ever use to clean up my sink, and it will get scuffs out of your sink. It will just keep it nice and white and take any stains out without damaging the surface of your sink. So I highly recommend that. It's like a couple dollars at Target or Walmart, but that bottle will last you forever. You don't have to use very much, and I definitely swear by it with a white sink. Then we decided to go outside and play in the snow, so here's a little clip of that, and that was honestly all the cleaning I got done this day. We were just really having a good time and relaxing and being all home together, so everything didn't get done, but we still had a lot of fun together, and I still made a lot of progress in the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of inspiration or cleaning motivation just to get a few projects done in your house. It doesn't have to be a lot, but especially if you're snowed in like me, you can take advantage of some of the time that you have. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you are new, I'd love to have you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll put all the information in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.